Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to send photos and videos in high quality format as documents in WhatsApp. So we are in chat. So we are going to share photos and videos to other person in high quality format or in HD format without compromising its quality. So we are in chat, and then in bottom section in message box you see attachment icon. So click on it. Now you see multiple option. Now you see document, camera, gallery. Now click on document. So we are in document section. Now you see multiple option, browse document, choose from gallery, scan document. Now click on choose from gallery. Now you see select original quality photos or videos. Now you see we have videos, images, so you can select according to requirement. So we are going to select photos, images. Now you see we select videos and photos or images. Now you see tick icon. So click on it, and then you see send 5 documents to my file. So click on send. Now you see sending documents. Now you see sending images and videos as document in high quality format. No compromise of video quality or image quality. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.